Hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question we have to find out the integrate of the function. So our function is equals to 3 of x divided by the 1 plus 2 of x raised to the power 4. We have to find out its integrate. Here we can write this as 3 of x divided by the 1 plus x raised to the power 4 can be written as x square to its whole square, which is further multiplied by dx. Now here we are considering that x square is equals to t. We are going to differentiate this with respect to x on both sides. So this from here become equals to d divided by the dx of x raised to the power 2, and this become equals to dt divided by the dx. Differentiation of x square with respect to x is 2x, and this from here is equals to dt divided by the dx. So the value of the dx become equals to dt divided by the 2x. Now we are going to plug all these values in the I. So I from here become equals to 3 of x divided by the 1 plus 2 of x square raised to the power 2, and x square is equals to t. So this become equals to 2 multiplied by t to its whole square multiplied by dx, and dx is equals to dt divided by the 2x. So 2x to x cancel here. So the value of I become equals to 3 divided by the 2 multiply by the 1 divided by the 1 plus 2 of t raised to the power 2, which is further multiplied by dt. We can take this 3 divided by the 2 outside the bracket. So this from here become equals to 3 divided by 2 integral of 1 divided by the 1 plus 2 of t raised to the power 2, which is further multiplied by the dt. Now from here we can take 2 common. So this from here become equals to 3 divided by 2 integral of 1 divided by 2 multiply by the 1 divided by the 2 plus t square, which is further multiplied by the d. Now further simplifying this, we can take this 1 divided by 2 also common, that is also outside the bracket. So this from here become equals to integral of 1 divided by the 1 divided by the 2 plus t square. Here this 1 divided by 2 can also be written as this become equals to 3 divided by 4 integral of t square plus 1 divided by 2 is also equals to 1 divided by the under root 2 to its whole square multiplied by dt. Now here we are going to use the formula, that is integral of 1 divided by the x square plus a square multiplied by the dx become equals to 1 divided by the a tangent inverse of x divided by the a plus c. Here we are going to replace a with under root of 2. So this from here become equals to 3 divided by the 4 integral of 1 divided by the t square plus 1 divided by the under root 2 to its whole square become equals to 1 divided by the a, and a is 1 divided by the under root 2 multiply by the tangent inverse of x divided by the a, and a is 1 divided by the under root 2 plus c. So this value from here is equals to 3 divided by 4, 1 divided by the 1 divided by the under root 2 become equals to under root 2 tangent inverse of x divided by the 1 divided by the under root 2 become equals to under root 2 it's not x, it's t here, multiply by the t plus c. Now this from here become equals to 3 divided by 4 multiply by the under root 2 multiply by the tangent inverse of under root 2, and we let that t is equals to x square. So this become equals to x square plus c. Further simplifying this, we can write this as this from here is equals to 3 divided by the under root 2, and there we are having 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the tangent inverse of under root 2 of x square plus c. Here this is under root 2, so we can cancel the terms here. So under root 2 cancelled with 2, which left us under root 2. So this from here become equals to 3 divided by the 2 under root 2 tangent inverse of under root 2 of x raised to the power 2 plus c. So this is the value of the I. So students, in order to solve this, we use the basic concept of integrals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.